Hi everyone, today I'll be making easy butterscotch pie. What all goes into the easy butterscotch pie? 1 3.4 ounce instant butterscotch pudding, 2 cups of milk, 8 ounces of frozen whipped topping, thawed, 2 tablespoons of butterscotch ice cream topping, and 1 9-inch prepared graham cracker crust. This is my homemade gingersnap pie crust. So let's begin. Take a large bowl, dump in your butterscotch pudding mix. You want to follow the pudding's instructions. Your 2 cups of cold milk, and whisk that until smooth. And it will start to thicken fairly quickly. I'm going to let it sit for just a few minutes before we continue on. So take your Cool Whip and put half of it into the butterscotch pudding mix. And mix that together. Now I'm hoping, I don't know if this pie makes a deep dish or just a regular size, but I have a deep dish pan over here with the crust, so I'm hoping it will work. So then take your gingersnap pie crust, and then take your butterscotch and whipped cream pie mix and pour it into the pie crust. And then smooth it out. I think it'll be perfect for this pie dish. Then take your remaining whipped topping and spread it on top of the butterscotch. And got to be careful because it's going to probably mix with the butterscotch, so that's why I kind of did it in sections. Now, Dave likes butterscotch. When he was on the road, I had given him some butterscotch pudding. Already made, the ones in single-serve containers. And then I made some butterscotch Rice Krispie bars, which went over really, really good. So I think he's going to like this as well. I just hope, I've never made this crust before. I saved it for this. We'll put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving, and we will add some butterscotch drizzle to it before we serve. When he gets home, we'll dish it up. All right, so Dave's home, so I'm going to get the easy butterscotch pie topped off with the drizzle. So I'm using the Smucker's butterscotch drizzle, and I'm just going to, it comes out really easily. That looks good enough, and we'll get this dished up. So here is the easy butterscotch pie with the homemade gingersnap pie crust. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Question.
What?
Is this finger food?
It could be.
Oh, that's right. That's not graham cracker.
No, that is actually a ginger snap pie crust.
Oh,
I made that.
that's pretty good.
Is it too sweet is the crust too sweet?
No, actually, it's not. And the the sugar and stuff in here kind of takes the bite out of the ginger snaps.
Because I added extra brown sugar
Oh,
than I was supposed to. It was supposed to be a fourth of a cup, and I realized when I was doing dishes, my fourth of the cup was in the drainer, and so I used a third of a cup.
okay. Well, the bite that's normally in those is gone, and I know sugar kind of does that to them. So I like it, whether it's from brown sugar, whether it's from the butterscotch. Still kind of tame the ginger snaps down, and it's pretty darn good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.